Welcome to my channel, The Wealth Blueprint. In this video, we are going to explore a powerful financial story. But first, let me ask you a simple question. Did you know that your bank account is not making you rich, but actually making you poorer every single day? Welcome to the ultimate guide on wealth, with a book titled How to Grow Money. Let's begin with Lesson 1, The Silent Enemy. This is the story of a man named Arjun. Arjun was an ordinary citizen living in a bustling middle-class neighborhood in India. Like millions of other people, Arjun followed a very simple and traditional rule of life. He believed that the only way to achieve financial security was to work hard every single day, spend as little as possible, and save every single rupee in a traditional bank account. For 5 long years, Arjun sacrificed his comfort. He did not go on vacations, he did not buy expensive clothes, and he never ate at fancy restaurants. His entire focus was on one single goal, building a financial safety net for his family. After 60 months of pure discipline and hard work, Arjun achieved a major milestone. He looked at his bank account and saw a balance of 10 lakh rupees. He felt an immense sense of pride and relief. To him, this 10 lakh rupees was not just a number. It was a shield that would protect his family from any future financial crisis. He believed his future was completely secure and that he had successfully conquered his financial worries. But Arjun was completely wrong. He was living in a dangerous illusion because he was unaware of a hidden danger. He did not know that a silent, invisible enemy was working against him every single second. One weekend, Arjun visited his grandfather in their ancestral village. They sat on the veranda, drinking warm tea and talking about life. Arjun proudly opened his phone and showed his grandfather the bank balance of 10 lakh rupees. He expected his grandfather to be amazed, but instead, the old man smiled gently and looked out into the distance. His grandfather took a deep breath and said, "Arjun, 10 lakh rupees is a beautiful amount today. But let me tell you a story from 40 years ago. When I was your age, I bought our entire family land, built a concrete house, and managed the marriages of my siblings, all for less than the price of the smartphone you are holding in your hand right now. In my days, a single rupee had the power to buy a whole basket of groceries. Today, that same 1 rupee cannot even buy you a single piece of candy." Arjun was shocked. He stared at his phone and then at his grandfather. He asked, "But grandpa, how is that possible? 10 lakh rupees is still 10 lakh rupees. The numbers haven't changed." His grandfather tapped Arjun's shoulder and replied, "The numbers on your screen have not changed, my boy, but the power of those numbers is dying every single day. You think your money is safe because it is sitting quietly in a bank vault, but in reality, your money is losing its breath." This conversation was Arjun's very first introduction to the most critical concept in finance, inflation. Inflation is the invisible enemy of wealth. In simple terms, inflation means that the prices of goods and services rise every year, which means the purchasing power of your money decreases. To understand this clearly, Arjun's grandfather gave him a very simple example. Imagine a bag of high-quality rice costs exactly 100 rupees today. If the inflation rate in the country is around 7% per year, that very same bag of rice will cost 107 rupees next year. The rice is the same, the quantity is the same, and the quality is the same, but you have to pay more money to get it. Now, let us look at Arjun's 10 lakh rupees. If he leaves that money sitting in a basic bank account earning a tiny interest rate, while the cost of living outside is rising at 7%, his money is practically shrinking. In 10 years, his 10 lakh rupees will still look like 10 lakh rupees on paper, but when he takes it out to buy a house or pay for medical emergencies, it will only have the purchasing power of 5 lakh rupees. Arjun realized a terrifying truth. By just saving money and doing nothing else, he was actually becoming poorer every single day. The safety net he had built with 5 years of sweat and tears was slowly melting away like ice under the sun. That night, Arjun could not sleep. The illusion of safety was completely shattered. He looked at the ceiling and understood lesson number 1 of wealth creation: don't just save your money, you must invest it. Saving money is only the first step, but investing is the engine that keeps your wealth alive. If your money is not growing at a speed that is faster than the rate of inflation, you are losing the financial war. Arjun made a firm decision. He decided that he would no longer let his hard-earned money sit idle. He needed to find a way to make his money work for him, just like he had worked for it. He needed to find vehicles that could beat inflation, whether it was businesses, equity, or assets. This realization was the exact moment Arjun stopped thinking like an ordinary employee and started his journey toward true financial freedom. If this video brought value to your life, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with someone who needs to see this. To find out what happens to Arjun's money and how that silent thief destroys savings, make sure to subscribe right now for the Silent Enemy Part 2.